room, Ini Edo conscious in this room. Oh wait, were you in the car? Junior! Where is it? Every single thing I labored for, Kamsi, has just gone into thin air. My life, my joy, my happiness, everything is gone.
I came here because of what I saw in your wife. She is evil.
Your mother is responsible for your problems. She is a witch.
Your evil, Mama, has been exposed. You are responsible for all that I have been going through. You're responsible for the deaths of my children. You are responsible for losing my job. You're responsible for everything that I am dealing with right now. And you call me your son.
What have I done to you? You have succeeded in killing my daughter's unborn child.
Even the Bible tells you, suffering here is not the witch to live. For the witch must die. She has to leave my house. Enough.
You broke your covenant with God. I kept mine. That is why I am still happily married.
You're mocking me because you think you're more righteous than me.
Mama, is this an Osu family?
Eh?
Whoever told Dikeh that this will not go unpunished?
No.
I'm saying you shouldn't be My husband acted like someone who was under a spell.
Let her come back here. I'm going to deal with her.
You have no right whatsoever to lay your hands on her. She is your wife.
Please leave.
Darling, why would you
want to... Please, what is it? Stop, please. Give me some space.
How can you lend such amount of money to a jobless man? A man that is not doing anything again. How is he going to pay you back?
Can you leave me the heck alone? Can I not have peace in my house?
Strange things don't happen for this house.